Surprise!
This is so discordant and wonderful.
So, Matthew has been plotting this for several days. Who would have lots of social distancing friends during quarantine during your birthday?
And one sister. Hello, sister. Lexi's favorite sister.
Yeah, word on the street is they're your favorite, so.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
That's great.
Hey YouTube! It's us again. We are heading down to Newton, Kansas for a hike. I don't remember the name of it. I'll flash it here. Yeah, so come on with us. Enjoy some of the sights on our way down. Hi. Birthday surprise
Arrived.
number 3. We're hiking with your family. Yay!
Happy birthday, dear Lexi.
Hey, Pop.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, it's Matthew. I feel like Matthew.
Hello,
Danger,
Pop.
danger, danger, danger.
I know.
That's a weird thing.
We have made it to the trail. We are at the Osage Nature Trail, but we are not alone. Since it is Lexi's birthday, I have invited her family out with us.
My family.
Got her mother, River, got Trisha, and we've got her dad hanging out right there. Whoops. Totally got that wrong. There you go.
The
There you
camera's
are.
well trained not to focus intently on me. Guy's got a stick.
So we're gonna head down the trail. Fun with your family.
I'm having so much fun. I had no idea that he invited my whole family to come and hike with us. And we pulled up to the parking lot and I was so mad because I saw so many people. And I was like, why are there so many people in this? Wait, I know those people. It was cute.
Yeah. Surprise! Happy
Thanks,
birthday.
baby.
So I'm happy that I could do this for Lexi. It's very exciting to have her family around. We are still socially distancing. You know, it's people that we know, that, you know, it's family, it's her family, and we've been around her family for the past month or so. So we know that everybody's good. And we're in the outdoors, we're walking at a decent pace between each other, so if anybody's worried, we're still taking care of the social distancing aspect.
Sometimes life can seem as murky as this water. However, being with family is the light that shines through our darkest days. Sharing a story or telling a joke with mom. Admiring Dad's perseverance. Or the simple comforts of the family pet. Perhaps it's secrets between sisters, or a cousin's confidence. No matter what your story is, it's unique to you, and you treasure them. Lexi's family has welcomed me during this quarantine, and watching them care and provide for her firsthand has been inspiring.
So it's not as windy here.
Down in the trees.
Very, very warm today.
So hot. I don't have a big t-shirt and a backpack on.
I don't even have my coat on. That's exciting.
Good job, honey. You didn't wear your coat when it's 80 degrees.
I know. I did the last time. So this has been fun.
This has been fun.
Hanging out with your families.
A little different dynamic than our normal hikes, but it's a good time.
Yeah.
But it's been nice to catch up. I haven't seen Trisha and River like since before quarantine, obviously. So it's been nice to dodge the poison ivy with the whole family.
Having this time to catch up with Trisha and River, checking in with Lexi's mom and dad, has been like freezing time and recovering a small sense of normal that's been missing these past few weeks. And as our hike comes to a close, we are all grateful to have each other and share this precious memory of Lexi's special weekend.
Well, we're going to call it an end of this trail here. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much to the Weiss family for joining us for Lexi's birthday.
Thanks, family.
And thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please comment and like down below.
Don't forget to ding the bell.
And we'll see you in the next one. All right? Take care. Bye now. What'd you get?
Oh, are these masks? It's perfect. It's perfect.
Happy third time, second cake birthday.
It's supposed to have eyes and whiskers, but
I
couldn't fit it.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
I love that it's kitty ears.
How's your cake?
It's so good.
Yummy, Trisha.